lost testele ani da kesan onzu gi circles go zu bare and circles now la ani ni dong ni shu dang ni za jing na la de delete che me wo song za anga da changma jang go gore ine da di now ni catch shu ma tyrim ni shu re and tyrim dang bo deng man zu gi kesan dig sa re center ni yong bi line de point of contact la touch anything on the call to na tension la khari chagi la wana 90 chale de kasa on proof che sa re so diring on zu gi ani theorem 10.2 de ma cheng ro so di ma cheng la ro diring on zu chashi dang sin ma na di theorem proof che and di dan dewa yeve to no on zu gi exercise chi contest ma proof che go do odin de ni ma som shayin ta di ma jong la ro tension na khari la khari chi la tension la gi la di kasa on zu gi thu che sa re ro tension la wi pa na Casing on the doors, the point you on a casino, dig circle, the guns are chitang around the Karasuana, point to a collection of point area. The imbiner was the dig point, Mambo, you know, point chilla, and those guns to get line chain door in Pina, dig line the language to Karlana, and once you get tension like it is. The casing on the point, Mambo, sometimes once you point, casing unto the Manta sooner showing Pina, Pechashana, pointing onto the circle in Naroshana. The showing by the circle in point there showing by now, and then I want to get tension because you take 2 grace. I didn't want to tell what they point the line to because quite teacher a lot. You might want the tension T2 enough, that thing want to give 1 marks non legal that you did. MCQ in a legal and as a point you and circle inside the circle of point you in by now on how many tensions that you can draw. Kazu T2 grace. And he was on the Tindicini line Karimo Karaton scan chagi do madu tension chagi now on the casing on the point circle in now to point in a yo in by a delawan to gay and tension chian to T2 mares thing on the Tamboche dero. New thing on Sugi Tindichi Galanas, that on to circle chigana yo in by the circle. On the circle, you're in by now. And tension has the truth in low in by now. Case on the traditional machine, tension chickmish T2 mares. That guessing on the point, the children you're in by now, and point the name on the tension has the truth. That the Gajamurda. Killing on the topic down the Joshua. Casing on the children of point P, Joanna, point P, the need tension maximum has the truth to Mana. Chick do set in a two rod there. Chick the Nia doing the Chesam on the Chilo point jo in by point dene tension kazu chitu low in by the maximum image chitu marela that the catchmunda. So ding on to Tanger dinner to watch it, drink it to him. So dinner drink to Kamukarik Changana, circle jo in by a circle now a point in a mantle soon showing by na, and it delatane on the tension kazu chitu race. Tambo de circle now a point jo in by the tension kazu chituna, cheer chitu mares, has a line chitu some scan chart to grow up. New de la tension gala you and point the tension gala on the seven friends gala yo in by na and it didn't want to give tension kazu to low in by the didn't want to give tension chick mesh to maris. The case of the new de la want to share that is point the children yo in by the tension kazu to na and want to give tension need to raise maximum kazu tension need. That is someone was MCQ now. So then she shall be torn out. I don't know Turin that dream of proof. Turin the length of tensions drawn from an external point. Now this is an external point. Length of tension and deep tension lower. Dine point of contact to dine point of contact path. Deep length the to lower points to a circle are equal. Dene tipo to ring set down, dene tipo getting sesura, the tension need the ring set the chipa chagi yoris, the kunget, the exam now roa, so get a show in banner. Focus is setting on the tension the catch should. The intimate Janochi, roa, super missy catching. Digi, Tanga de tuna, she did not the point piece to a P distant down, A Q distant the chipa in by the kunki in roa. So that's my how to draw in by now. Tension the tuning goes to 3 on the kunki. Tortina tension need the chipa ime kunki is. 다디 공개지도 남경원들 다 가서 돼 theorem condition proof chidala kesangandu shewna shiri step ka she chores dig step ka she ka chole na ma follow cheda number 1 given 가르쳐도 대교나 samta ching바이나 디나로 제가 뭐 계획 따오 말해 인종한테 dot ching이 construction shewna 봐 so 가르쳐도 나오나 AP and AQ are two tangents tangent이 대샤스 tangent이 가면은 AP 당 AQ니 대 tangent이 봐 대샤스 대지체 가니 from a point A, chilo point Jules, the unison point Jules, Dinia point A ne P pada, Jambachine, Q pada Jogi, tension ni teshas, the given shell. What the Shera? Nima the Hatter to prove Karakun Gildana AP equal to AQ, AP equal to AQ ni de proof chair. The delay in that. Now the second part is construction, and before we are going to prove this, we need a little construction, and that construction is we just join the point. Point kasi dengan macam point is going to join chair. Kasi na OP, ini ngantu di join chair re, dah nasi ini di buat join chair re, di join chair yours. So di ngantu construction chair. Kaya mak kamu circle chair re, curu point chair. Dia means dah, ini ngantu point ni de. Center path. Sama point sum sedikit lo sum jaga join chair na. And you want to get center or joint chairs. So this is construction chair. Now next year, proof 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 means that you want to conduct construction. You want to conduct construction. And there's some time the so you need to couple cake mare. The level. Carson level low in class 7 we introduce the congruent triangle. Congruent figure now name congruent triangle jingas pull on water shares. The congruent triangle share what did and did not renew it. Gamma triangle share water triangle. Dig triangle needed. Cheaper in the punke win by na. Congruent in by punke win by na. Congruent lava to do hatchery. Corresponding sides some machine on to Harachiba Shabiwa. Did Dana Chico Chingata. Ding on to Kawajan to the Dumena Joe, Kebenala Dumbekache. To make the recapture genre, governor genre. Now here again comes the congruent triangle. So this is a couple triangle. Now let's say in this two triangle OPA down OQA, that triangle needs to this triangle needs to pass some time. In triangle, I think right that the triangle O PA and triangle OQA. Triangle dini na samta darwa. Kang le ye triangle sto de. De triangle se da wala ye triangle ni sto. Dini na pa samta na drawing by na. Dini ma to congruent chagdu. Congruent cha la criteria ga shesh go ya ma to. Ta di na chang du chang lai da. Number 1. Di na kha to na O A down OA ni the initial comment. So what was it? OA is equal to OA la darwa. Nija khardo. Nija comment she. Dana singa to chi khardo law in bana dinga dinga to construction khasa de theorem chi na khardo na dingi ma to nadi chagi lewa. Theorem 10.1 na khardo law in bana law so dingi proof din na a line drawn from the center to the point of contact is always a 90. Kazange group checking ba. So theorem na group share so 90 copy chain na angle O P gang chi O P A is equal to angle O Q A. Then on the theorem the chitune ya bore. Khali theorem te la na ani center ne yong we line de ani on the tangent Magala point of contact there are two way bana 90 chage shura. Thing on the 10.1 shura. Thing on the punke 10.1 the kesa on the punke do that. So chungani kurang kesa on the theorem ki statement shura di there T2 ena pay up do. Tang of the dinner so much hardona OP da OP shura di OP is equal to OQs. The kajin same radius. When you radius, circle radius in the continuity. So gyumzen this one latane any unique triangle the congruent shape. Gyumzen khare to congruent shapes, right? Therefore, the name of the triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OQA. Khare ki thon do lo in by na right angle triangle do the right angle yore hypotenuse searching of the delas bare RHS ki thon try those. That thing also the triangle need the congruent chagi yo in by na. And the now corresponding correct sama chico chega. Patient the angle need ya chico chatu. The angle need ya chico chatu. Vanishing on the side the downside the angle chico che. Then also go ahead carry on to need on negative the book to aya. So on the couple name by na. So they himself and the chico che to low in mana PA is equal to QA. Then I want to CP3 CP3 means corresponding part of congruent triangle. Congruent triangle in the himself and corresponding some much chico chagi those. Did it during the Kunke level. Then I want to get a battery to another Tamata teacher. Just Kunke's daughter, Kunke with himself and the new Kunke one, the new congruent serve himself and Queen Chico Char. Thus, the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equivalent. Some of the things are to the thing on to Katikulana and take value de Tatash Kunke to watch. So, thing on to the Turim Nibadinda, Turim Tabangas, circle now, Turim the image of Yomar, Turim Kashmir usually mix it and did Turim the image part, John to Wachiruchi. And Tamada Hatisa did here the length of tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Did in Albatida, Hamadu Turim de Kunke to Swans. So, Ding and Zuga Totan Tampudiche. Ah, to the new Della and Dina, Turim and Zuma. Proof chairs out Turim to the Shisha Tona, the day to a time to see what to Mamma Yum Namone, and get to the thing on to get. Ah, but the textful are Yuri. Because of the Tibodi. And you know, long which in the Lisha, they can tell Tanero and get Tarama examples marching in the rock. Okay, Digi George, that one did this one, but never color in Bana. Chilone Yomwegi, a line drawn from an external point are equal. And how many the maximum tangent that you can draw from an external point maximum only 2 tangent. The maximum mesh of the T2 mares, the end of the case. Ni mesh T2 mare, ni the Katunea, Chipachagi is thing unto the Turim. The indication by now to the that you were the district and the district of Kandisma proof chamber. You are to love in banner. This is the one tangent. These are the tangent rays and the tangent rays. And given here is, and these two yellow. The picture there on the L the M to Chibana, L the M need the parallel rays, the given ray. L the M need the parallel ray and given jig. And even there are and the other tangent theory. So they are the tangent they are the point that means they are seed of them. So that also the two chicken in Bakashilla, this kilo than it is. Some of the parallel map share young deep vegetan there. The American much the deep vegetan young to prove share. That in the nature in Nangua, Elda M. de parallel between that. Is it in parallel by enough? Anyone to the number you angle 2019 the Kunke. So prove that angle AOB is 90. Then towards the law of yoga. So the day you turn around on that parallel red lava drove up so I'm going to Kunke down prove the law of yoga now the simple chasing down. So then on the giving number hundred to the giving has a half catch away back. So number 1 giving. Tiwa contage kunke or in Banana given the image because given to some be given the novel to simplify item of which didn't allow to. So think of the mark. So given now what to low in Banana line L parallel to line M. L and M are parallel. Number 1 digital. And both of these are tangent. 니자 하다는 tangent at point P and Q. And L and M are tangent at point P and Q. Point P and Q. The point P the Q in the current law in Pena and point of contact. So think of the point of contact here. The machine on the current Pena. See their point of contact AB. Also, AB is a tangent at point C. Point C is the point of contact. Point of contact is the tangent in beta. Because tangent to say point is point of contact like that. 더 돌리는 데 나는 저기 텐션 가지고는 텐션 숨처리 안 된종 가지고 찍지라 야마 투 돼요. so 두어 되네지. 땅을 줄 때는 공기에 가는 to prove 줘라. prove the 가르도 나오 임바이나 prove that angle AOB which is equal to 90 degree. 땅을 공기에 들이 된 90이면 공기에. 대신 계단 같이 가르 나오 임바이나 와 center angle is the Kangsa Toming on the 180 ray on Kunkedan Jayore. Yanti member share at the end of the correct to the tension the line chipper ray, the Dana of the Pishutan and Joy Sonza, and I Tarangi on the Pachi to the Chindarwa. Of the 39 mistake construction case, you going to a joint sound of Jeshe, Tamaka to join Chimba and Barak proof. Yeah. That Kunke Bala, and then I want to dinner a land of tension chipper leisure, thing of the Kunke house. Sonza di ko sonza ngado khachi de law in bana triangle damenda triangle di down triangle di ni damda P A O lan jirwa P A O triangle dash to down is thing in for joint derwa those mata triangle ni lengda O P A O C A lan triangle ni de da chipa chigan dandina D triangle the D triangle is done because when you catch when you congruent check the chicken then so chicken did that. So D triangle chigore, D triangle the thing on to define taking the same congruent in triangle down triangle needed to damida. In triangle OPA and triangle OCA. Triangle thingy congruent check check 말이에요. 맞아. 라사가 나랑 뜨는 봐. 소군이 congruent check. 내가 찍지. 내가 네가 또 디바디 따오는 데 개대원 내가 손도 텐치가 지고 지기로 봐. So 신다로 다음부터 가다가 OP equal to OC. OC is same radius 로 radius 니 찍고 있어. same radius. And 이거들로 line drawn from the center to the point of contact is always 90. The 90 by the half over. So on to angle OPA is equal to angle OCA. 90 degree each. 대형은 저기 시험을 쳐야 돼. 대형은 뒤로 돌아가고 다 다른 시간 또 OA다 OA니 지고다. OA is equal to OA. 니자 comment. And because of these, and now what criteria here comes is that RHS. So therefore, triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OCA by RHS. RHS की थोने and कुनी congruent shade those. That the congruent shade ना ना तो खरे the proof shade ना तो खरे angle is she was of the angle in that. So let's see here. This is angle 1. Ding angle 2 to shade. That is the angle 3 in that. And ding angle 4 shade that. Then she shot the tower tail. That triangle dingy congruent he may consider angle 1 and angle 2 ye the chip shade one. angle 1 is equal to angle 2 CB CD. 대긴 원주가 그거 가능하고 있잖아. 전전이의 공개고 여부 손상. 전전이의 공개고 여부 손상. 아니 원주가 전전이의 직발에 나와. 가래 그것도 되어. 대단해서 앵간이의 그거 손상 앵간이의 직발에 샤스. 가이스는 corresponding part와. So corresponding part 이 가래되는 디그리. 가래 그것도 완전 뒤에나. So 뒤에나서 앵간이의 그거 손상에 앵간을 하는 말. 다 직발 지냐 중에 트라이앵글 딩을 낸다. तागा रिपीट छिने दि चिको छिने दे शेयर वा रेडियस नि चिक पारे दि कॉमन रे एंगल दि 90 चिक पछि नि सो था या रिपीट छिको मारे लमसा कटिने similarly angle 3 is equal to angle 4 या CBC रो दिया पा शब्द तो न छिक नि रो जमहा को न रो त यिमाने न चिक खरा हो न angle 1 plus angle 2 chidwa dita angle 3 plus angle 4 ni de 180 de la ngan same side of transversal ro ta de chigira ka tu chin ro angle 1 plus angle 2 chidwa dita angle 3 plus angle 4 angle 3 plus angle 4 to by na 180 degrees. Same side of transversal side of transversal. Therefore, the remote change drawing by remote in some of the you are interesting on the parallel in Bana, those two in Bana, the angle that the angle in Domana was 180 degrees. So the 180 degree same side of the transversal is supplementary if these two lines are parallel. These line in the parallel by until now to this part drawing by the alternate angles regular. The property sumio and the same side of transversal did the domna 180 degrees. That the need to was in a dinichi taking Cannon. Did the dinichi Dita dini chikoro. So dini chikwa impa no the chikwa ni yoga de no common lenda. 2 down 3 the now doa. 2 the 3 now the thing on the lane drawing by another year. Correct to check. The thing continue change to get the master in a Aje dino shungri. So now let's see here. Dini chikoro 1 equal to 2. And 1 equal to 2 now in a thing like 2 times 10 0. Very good to the thing. Those attention and this matter of so in the 2 times of angle 2 and degree. Angle 1 the 2 in by na naming on to the x like draw. X plus x now is 2x degree. X the common degree chickwenza. Uncle has it 10 years. So 2 times 10 degree. Plus, 다음에 신경 더 퍼지신 거예요, 왜나? 나로 가라 그기도 됐다 했다. 완전 proof 쉐디로 돼. 대 앵글도 그거 선대 대 2 그거도. 대나서 3 그거도. So 3 the name 칭 봐야나. 2 times of angle 3 which is equal to 180 장자샤. Digital. That 2 times 2 common to 마땅 칭 봐야나. divide 치기로. So 대나서 angle 2 plus angle 3 which is equal to 180 divided by 2. Cut down in 90 chasa. So let's hear angle 2 plus angle 3. 2 plus angle 3. 90 in Bana. Hello, now say. Tango cartoon to love in Bana. Angle O shing again. Plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 long. Angle O and D in the day. Yeah, angle O something a computation zero there. AOB. AOB calculation zero. So say angle AOB plus this is 90. So the pattern equal to 180 minus 90 degree. Right? So angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 90. 90. So, what the correct thing is that 김말의 옆에 angle 대 90 뭐 풍계를 수 딘데 돈이 건도 딱 하나 더 들어 와이 봐요 와 딘데 릭스 옆에 triangle 이 폼 지기요나 갈뒤나 그주당 고야지라 가래 그주당 돌아오이 봐요 아니 남기 congruent triangle 그주당 와이나 corresponding angle 지고 차이 내줘 딥 그주 쭉 침물이 되나요 so 딘데지 하고 싶어 시험 지로시 so 땅에 대해 잠시기 so 내가 치수다 그린 것도 가르쳐야 되고 있는 당보들라 point 지기요 왜는 이 point 지대 사자 만들어 따네 샤사 만들어 따네 텐션 가지면 되라 개발수리스 서클 나오는 point 조인 바이나 텐션 가지 지두래 아니 point 아니 그 서클이 강해요나 텐션 가지 지두래 아니 point 치료를 요인 바이나 텐션 가지 나오는 지 지두 말이스 point 아니 서클이 강해 요인 바이나 텐션 지두르스 치료를 요인 바이나 and then on to get tension 망쇼라를 니 지투그레스 니 디오사 말에 니 찍어야면 풍계를 되는 거한테 되게 뒤는데 제어래 아 뒤는 데는 따라라도 example 지금 지난 뒤나 텍스트북 나라 example 망고 요래 텍스트북 나라 exercise도 정말 좋아서 트라이시다 레로를 박아라 so 딩의 example 잠징이로 와 and 디 강으로 와 등이 된다 비디오 다가는 강으로 와 네 저 숨쉬 파지 제식이 그런 거 박아 exercise practice share doing and then the going to simplify is ro o dinner sing and bring the juk de singing lots of test